Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Does your RV look like this? Well, today we're going to test 3 different products to see which one works best to get rid of these horrible black streaks and how to prevent them in the future. Stay tuned. Alright guys, RV black streaks, everybody hates them. They look horrible, don't they? Certainly if they go left untreated, they can be a real pain to get off. We were here a couple weeks ago and I noticed how bad these streaks are getting. This side in particular is really horrible. And I really just don't want to wait till springtime to get these off. If you leave these things on here unattended too long, they are a nightmare. Guys, I did a little digging, a little research on what products work best for what people are using. A lot of people are saying they use this awesome orange from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, for $1.25. They say it works great. I've never used it myself, but we're going to give it a whirl. I went ahead and ordered a bottle of the Starbright stuff. This is a little more expensive. It was $14 on Amazon. Hoping to have some real good results with that. And I got a bottle of this Good Sam stuff that you get from when you actually purchase your RV. The bottle cracked, so I threw it in the spray bottle here, but same stuff. I actually went ahead and bought a pair of these Gutter Spouts as well. And my hope is, let me show you guys out here, maybe if we get these installed, it'll help prevent some of this rain off and these drips from coming in the first place. Because as you can see, as it's dripping right now, it is running directly into this cubby hole. Which is an issue because this seal also has an issue here. So we're trying to get all this water redirected from running down the side of the camper, and I think these RV gutter spouts are going to do the trick for that. Guys, we're going to wait to install these gutter spouts until springtime. There's a top screw up there in the gutter that gets screwed in right here on this indent. I know it's probably hard for you guys to see. Once you screw them in there, you got to reseal all the way around it, all the way around here. And frankly, it's just too cold for the sealant to dry properly. We will post a video for you guys to follow along to know how to install these on here and prevent these black streaks from running down the side in the first place. I think they're going to be really helpful as far as like redirecting the water. Anything that you can do to get that off the sides of the camper, you're going to be in better shape. Alright guys, let me grab a step stool. We'll get that set up here. We're going to spray a little bit of each of these products on a rag and then test spots on this dark one here. That way we'll know which one of these removers actually works best on getting these black streaks off. We'll break this up into sections. We'll do this top gray part up here in the Dollar Tree stuff. We'll do this middle section here in the Starbright stuff that we got from Amazon, and then we'll hit this bottom stuff here with the stuff we got from Good Sam when we purchased the camper. Alright guys, I got the dollar store stuff up here. Like I said, we're going to spray this gray area. I'm just going to use a rag, that way we don't get a bunch of rundown and it doesn't interfere with the other areas. Again, $1.25. Not sure you can really beat the price on it. It's called Awesome Orange. A lot of people said a lot of good stuff about it. Let's give it a whirl. Wow guys, I'm pleasantly surprised with how quick that works. Like, I mean, completely gone for $1.25. Alright guys, the next stuff I got here is this Starbright stuff that I ordered from Amazon. Black streak remover. Again, it's just $14 a bottle, so I'm hoping it works real well. Got a new rag here. Let's saturate that down. Then we're going to test this middle section here to see how well we can get rid of this streak. Guys, again, yeah, it comes right off, but not any quicker. Let me show you. It comes right off, but not any quicker than the Awesome Orange. And if you look up here closely, you can still see up at the top where that's running down. So, $14 a bottle versus $1.25 a bottle. So far, the Awesome Orange is winning. Alright guys, number 3. This is the stuff that comes in the blue bottle that you're going to find at Walmart. We got it from the Good Sam Club. I just put it in this bottle here because that one cracked and I didn't want it leaking all over. They do have a new rag here. Let's get that sprayed down real good. And we're going to test this bottom section right here to see if there's any difference in these 3 cleaners at all. Well, I can tell you immediately that this stuff is not working as well as the other stuff. Let me get you guys in here for a close-up and you can see what I'm talking about. But again, I know it's hard to see. This section here to here was that Camco product we just used, and if you look closely, you can still see a bunch of black streaks. So honestly, all in all, where it was darkest up top, so far the awesome orange has worked best. Let's see if this awesome orange can take off these little streaks here that the stuff from Walmart definitely couldn't. I got my rag sprayed down here. Let's see how this works. Wow, guys, look at that. It takes off the stuff that even the RV black streak cleaner could not take off. I've got to be honest, I was a little doubtful about this stuff at first. I saw these videos for $1.25 on whether or not this was going to make a difference, and look at this. I mean, there is none to be seen now that I did that. I know it looks like there's still a little bit of water running down here. It is raining out here. Like I said, that's where the gutter spouts will come in handy. So make sure you are on the lookout for how to install these gutter spouts. That video will be out as soon as springtime hits. Till then, there's a bunch of videos online on how to clean the roof, how to take care of the camper, things like that. And we will catch you guys next week.